Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular models, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. We'll explore their unique features, performance capabilities, and help you decide which one is the right choice for your home or office. Let's get started. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, often preferred for its texture and ability to chill drinks quickly. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker creates traditional bullet-shaped ice, which is suitable for cooling beverages but lacks the chewable quality of nugget ice. This distinction is crucial for consumers who prioritize the type of ice they enjoy in their drinks. When it comes to pricing, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is positioned as a premium product, reflecting its advanced features and high capacity. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option, making it accessible for consumers looking for a functional ice maker without breaking the bank. This price difference highlights the trade-off between quality and affordability. In terms of daily ice production, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. The DUMOS Ice Maker, while still respectable at 26 pounds per day, is better suited for smaller households or occasional use. This capacity difference can significantly impact your ice needs depending on your lifestyle. In conclusion, the choice between the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you value chewable ice and high capacity, the Kismile is the way to go. However, if you're looking for an affordable and portable option, the DUMOS is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.